All right, the watch list for August 18th, which is going to be Thursday. SPY sold off a little bit today and popped right back up into that range. Very low volume, typical August trading. But man, we did a good job today in the chat room rooting out the big ones. Had a great day in chat. And let's talk about what we're going to be watching tomorrow. SCYX, this was one of the big movers in chat today. Huge volume and ended up closing slightly above its open, but I definitely want to watch that. With this kind of volume, it's going to catch a lot of attention. We're going to watch that one for a follow-through day tomorrow, only with the right intraday setup. VRX is trying to break out here, and there's got to be a ton of shorts in this thing, and feels like it's finally done going down. So I'm watching for a follow-through day on that one as well. GBR is just a recent high flyer. I like to keep recent high flyers on watch, and had a huge move about 4 sessions ago. Had a decent trade in it yesterday, and then kind of a quiet day, no trades in it today, but it's kind of holding on, right? It's holding that area, so it goes back on a chart for tomorrow. Doesn't cost me anything to have something on a chart. LPTN, this one kind of caught my attention just because of the little volume spike here. I'm not in love with it, but if you go on an intraday basis, it's got a huge volume spike right there. The more I look at it, actually, the less I like this, but it doesn't cost me anything to have it on chart. It looks like 2.2 million in the float, so I'm going to keep this on watch tomorrow. OBCI, another recent high flyer. This kind of looks weird now. You got a kind of crazy price action, but I still kind of like it over this 280 area. Who knows? We'll see. It's got to get some volume tomorrow. Again, that's another one that I'm not that fond of, but it's interesting. I like this EARS. Nice volume spike today, breaking out of a big range, and back here it had a big 2-day move, so it shows that it can make big moves. I'm going to watch that one for a follow-through day tomorrow. By the way, Jane in chat was all over that one today. I never traded that one, but she did really well in it, I believe. BCEI, nice breakout of a range. I'll be looking for a follow-through day in that one tomorrow as well. STEM, STEM, crazy move from 50 cents to like $3 yesterday. Today, just a quiet inside day. I didn't even look at this one today, but I thought, you know what, might be a third day play, so it goes on watch for tomorrow. Type that one wrong. SITO, that's a tough one. Anyway, you got a big breakout yesterday, and then a quiet inside day today. I'll be looking for a potential third day play in that one. SORL, big pop 3 sessions ago, down a couple days in a row on lower volume. Looking for that one to possibly turn back up tomorrow. ACM, 2 big down days. If this can open, and then flush into the 200 day tomorrow, and see the bounce it head off 200 day last time, I'll be looking for an intraday reversal around that 30.65 area. So, you know what, I'm going to have it on a chart. It's not my favorite setup, but it's still worth watching. First Solar hasn't seen a green candle since, that sounds like a Johnny Cash song. It's been a while, and possible maybe double bottom here, so I really want to keep an eye on First Solar FSLR for a possible bounce. CRK, nice breakout yesterday. Today, lower volume, red day, possible third day play tomorrow. And then lastly, I've got EBIO, which has had a huge move. Now we've got a couple down days on lower volume. Feels like it needs to come in some more, but who knows, right? Having it on a chart could end up paying us well. And, that's it. I was going to say CYCC is definitely ahead of itself now, but maybe keep that one on your watch list too, because it's just been such a good trader. On an intraday basis today, we had this on watch, and it looked like this, and then started to come up here on this candle. The next candle I'm getting ready to show you, I called it long at 735-ish. Wayne, one of our moderators, kind of put this on my radar. He saw it coming, and then I passed it along over the mic to everybody. Got long around 735. Worst case, stopped 20 cents below. That didn't matter, right? Because look at that. It went pretty quickly to 8 and ended up going through 9. That was a huge trade today. Also had a couple other nice trades. Probably my 3rd biggest day of the year. So it's been a fantastic summer. Again, continues to be. Love the teamwork in chat. We'll keep that going. And also in the morning, speaking of teamwork, we'll be looking together for potential gap plays in the pre-market to possibly put on watch for gap and go plays. And we'll be watching this list I just gave you. All right, enjoy the rest of your evening. We'll talk to you tomorrow.